If you own a Jeep Grand Cherokee, this is for you. Ever tried remote starting your car and it just won't work? Here's what's really going on. First, let's talk basics. Your Jeep's remote start only works if the doors are locked, the hood is shut, and you're using the original key fob. If any of these aren't right, the system won't even try. Next, check your dashboard. If you see a check engine light, remote start is disabled until that's fixed. Even something simple, like a loose gas cap, can trigger this. Another common reason? Low battery in your key fob. If your button presses seem weak, swap out that battery and try again. Also, if you've started the car too many times in a row with remote start, the system can lock you out for safety. Just start your Jeep the old-fashioned way, then try remote start later. Finally, extreme temperatures matter. If it's way too hot or cold, remote start might refuse to work to protect your engine. So next time your remote start fails, just run through this checklist. Most fixes are quick, and you'll be back on the road in no time.